how to install TikTok application on Google Play Store. So for that, first of all, launch your Google Play Store in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're here, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and using the search bar at the top, search for TikTok app or simply search TikTok. Then tap on TikTok. Here, if you want to view all the informations and their ratings and reviews, you can scroll down and find it there. And once you're done, head over to the top and there you will find install button. Simply tap on install. And then depending upon your internet connection, installation may take some time, and after the installation is complete, you can open up the TikTok application and enjoy watching the TikTok videos. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.